Hey, Ressio users. I want to quickly go over our project overview. Um, as you can see, it's really simple, really neatly put together. And this is just so to make your life a lot easier when you're coming to a project. As always, so you have your picture of your project. You can access your Plan Hub directly here. You can see, where it is. You can access also all the project activities. So you can see what's going on and the date, who's involved, specifically any bid requests down here on the left-hand side. Over here on the right, you can see approvals overdue. You can expand on them and click directly into them. Also messages, same thing. You can go to any of these hyperlinks to go directly to that message. You have your budget summary, also can always expand, see the pending changes, the original price and everything that's been going on. You also have coming up. Again, this can go directly to the specific place that you need to. And as always, up in the top left-hand corner, you can see the project view as a customer. And again, that is in the project overview tab right here on the left-hand side. And don't forget, you can always access, get support. All of these icons, which are on every page, are also accessed here. So I just want to quickly go over that this is a really great place to start when you just need to do a quick project overview. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to your customer success coach. Thanks so much.